Well, it's been a couple months since this old pile of garbage has been started. Let's go ahead and give her all the amps and see what we got. Well, I believe the old power divider has said no more of that shit. I think it's time for another experiment. I've got 2 5-gallon buckets of good dry dusty dirt here. Came off the top of a peanut combine. So I'm gonna sift out the stems and hulls and stuff. And then we're gonna find out how much dirt she'll suck before she won't suck dirt no more. £92 there. killed it.
I didn't give it very much.
What a piece of shit. That thing didn't even suck half a bucket. Hell, I bet that wasn't 10 pounds. Alright, start her back up. Let's put a jump box on it, go get some ether.
Okay.
Huh. Alright, we're going to try to shoot a little ether right into it. Piece of shit.
It caused too much abrasion.
Too much
Inside
abrasion.
the combustion chamber.
I would say you were probably correct.
And even the Johnsons ain't gonna fix it.
Probably not. I'm gonna give it one last try before I give up on it. It's a couple days later. It's been on the battery charger for 2 days now. So I'm giving her all the amps. One more shot. Back alive. I don't know how, but it is. Time for round 2. Going for round 4. If it'll start. You ready? Oh yeah. Well, shit. Still didn't blow up. Trying to get her started to go for round 5. It's turned off cold today. It's not wanting to start. Uh-oh. She's just not real happy. Well, I tried to go for round 5, but she said no. It's locked right up. I can't budge it with this bar. Last time you seen it running there for just a few seconds and then it died. That was it. I don't know exactly what happened, but that's all she's gonna do. So the only thing left to do now is jerk the motor out of here, drag it in the shop, tear it apart, and see what it looks like on the inside. I had 92 total pounds when I started, and I've got 82 pounds now. So it only took 10 pounds of dirt to wipe her out. It's cold, It's dark. There's shit on fire. But I'm gonna get this thing jerked out of here and get this video up so you hillbillies have got something to watch. Alright, I've got the old piece of drug in here. I'm gonna tear into it, see what the inside of the cylinders look like, and I'll probably knock a piston or two out, take a look at the pistons and the piston rings. Dirt did a pretty good job of sandblasting the inside of that compressor housing. So I'm gonna get after it and I'll show you what it looks like when I get there. I've got the heads ready to come off of it. Intake ports are blasted nice and clean. Cylinders are polished right up like you'd expect to see for the amount of dirt that's been through it. A healthy cylinder will have crosshatch in there. And of course these are just polished, smooth, so that's what happens when they suck dirt. And there's some scuffing too, it's bad enough you can feel it with your finger. Well, I figured out why it's locked up. Got at least one spun bearing. You can see those bearing shells are piled up on top of each other right there. And that rod's pretty much welded to the crankshaft. There may be some more spun rods or mains through there, but I know I've got at least one. That's good enough for me. Pistons are scuffed pretty bad. That one's worse than that one, but there's a bunch of black gritty stuff. It's all packed in around the rings. It's dirt is what it is, burn up dirt. And a couple of these rings here are stuck, a couple of them aren't. That oil control ring just fell apart, so. Yeah, she didn't like the old dirt at all. So that's what happens when you run 10 pounds of dirt through a 14-liter Cummins. I guess that's all I've got for this one, and there will be more to come.